1969 Chevrolet Nova here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Black two-door post car. 350 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. We're going to fire it up here at the end of the video. Let you check out underneath the hood, interior, engine bay. First, take a look at the grille, chrome up front, bright work. I also want to mention that this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Probably over 100 pictures of this car online on our website. You can see the underside, interior, engine bay. Take a close look at the wheels. Boyd 5 spokes. As you can see, Willwood slotted and drilled rotors on those brakes. Let's take a look down this passenger side. A few things about this car. When we get underneath the hood, you're going to see that it does have a 750 CFM card. There's also some engine paperwork and miscellaneous paperwork that are in a manual that will go along with this car also, as you can see up and down the passenger side. Black vinyl interior, bucket seats. There's that 6-speed. Aftermarket stereo and cluster. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that in a bit. It does have a hydraulic clutch pedal, ceramic clutch assembly, 2.5-inch exhaust cutouts, and the cutouts have a key fob or a remote on the keychain. I'll show you that. Let's hear it both ways. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. As you see, the chrome on the rear bumper. As far as the SS, I would say SS Tribute is the way I would represent this one. It does have electric brake vacuum pump. And I mentioned the Willwood disc brakes. And those Boyd wheels are 18-inch. We're on to the rear end here. 373 rear gears. And Eaton True Track posi with hardened axles. Let's take a look down this driver's side. New fuel tank and sending unit. Dakota Digital Dash is the brand of the aftermarket. Cluster in there. And I'll show you that as soon as we get to the interior as you take a peek up and down the driver's side. All fluids were changed and are new. The windshield is new, and bucket seats up front here also new. And then, like I said, there will be a folder or binder that will go along with this car with miscellaneous information in it, stuff on the engine also. And like I said, you can see these are new. For your rip tears holes, you can see we do have the seat belts intact, front and rear. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Electric fuel pump. Wipers and stereo, I've had both those working. Aftermarket stereo system. Again, that is working. I did let this one warm up a little bit, a little cold-blooded to idle. So I did let it warm up just a tad. You can see the temp gauge is working, fuel gauge, tach, oil pressure, and volts, all looking good. And that is a Dakota Digital gauge cluster. Rest of the dash. All right, as far as those cutouts, here's your fob, open and close. Let's open them up. And let's close them back up. Gives you an idea how that works. Slip around to the back seat here, run. definitely healthy. I'm going to slip up to the front. We want to pop this hood open. So you check out the engine bay. Take a little peek at that 350. And remember, paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. So let me get this hood open. Underside of the hood. Alright, aluminum radiator. Got a nice belt set up on this one with the bracket system. Aluminum heads. Edelbrock high-rise intake on there. HEI ignition. Headers. And again, paperwork on the engine will be included in that binder folder that'll go along with it. 1969 Chevrolet Nova, 2-door post, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. UniqueClassicCars.com or call us 507-386-1726. And remember that warranty protection plan may be extendable up to 10 years. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1969 Chevrolet Nova. Black on black. This is a 6-speed manual transmission on the floor. Nice aggressive exhaust tone to this car. Aftermarket radio in the dash that is working.
Still providing the technology and services.
All our gauges are working. Fuel gauge is under half. Temperature is showing about 150. The tachometer is a little jumpy, but it does appear to be working. Oil pressure is at 70 and volts are at 14. Aftermarket bucket seats in this car, comfortable ride. When I let go of the wheel, this car stays straight in the lane. The steering wheel might be cocked a little bit to the right, but that doesn't affect performance at all. The gauges are aftermarket, and we also have digital right in the middle, and you can change the settings on that for multiple different options. Car corners well, it doesn't lean very much. Very fun to accelerate and shift in this car. We've got decent power. Getting a nice smooth ride from the suspension. Very fun Chevy Nova. Take a look at the pictures and read all the details at UniqueClassicCars.com.